Algebra lecture number 13, chapter number 2, quadratic equation. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some example from practice set 2.5, page number 49. Okay. Now, question number 3. Determine the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equation. So, you know how to determine the nature of the root of the quadratic equation. Okay. Now question number 1. X square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation given. Write your solution. Solution. Given equation x square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. Comparing this equation with standard form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 4 and C is equal to 4. Then find delta means discriminant. So delta discriminant is equal to B square minus 4AC. Now here you substitute your values. Minus 4 square minus 4 into 1 into 4. So minus 4 square is equal to 16. This into this is equal to minus 16. And 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. And therefore delta discriminant b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. And hence the root of the given quadratic equation are real and equal. Okay. Question number 2. 2y square minus 7y plus 2 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation given. Write your solution. Given equation 2y square minus 7y plus 2 is equal to 0. Compare this equation with standard form of quadratic equation ay square plus by plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 2, B is equal to minus 7 and C is equal to 2. And therefore discriminant delta is equal to B square minus 4AC is equal to minus 7 square minus 4 into 2 into 2. Okay. Now minus 7 square is equal to 49 and this is equal to minus 16. And 49 minus 16 is equal to 33. Now this is positive and therefore discriminant b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 and hence roots are real and unequal. Question number 3. M square plus 2m plus 9 is equal to 0. Now this is a given quadratic equation. Compare this equation with standard form of quadratic equation. am square plus bm plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 9. Then find discriminant delta b square minus 4ac is equal to 2 square minus 4 into 1 into 9. So 2 square is equal to 4 minus this is equal to 36. So 4 minus 36 is equal to minus 32 and therefore b square minus 4ac is what less than 0 and hence the root of the given quadratic equation are not real. Okay. Then I will take 2 more examples. Question number 4. From the form the quadratic equation from the roots given below. Means in this case roots are given and you have to write quadratic equation. Okay. Question number 1. 0 and 4 are the roots of the quadratic equation. Now you write your solution in this way. Solution. let alpha is equal to 0 and beta is equal to 4. That means alpha and beta are two roots, and alpha is equal to 0 and beta is equal to 4. Then first you find alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta is equal to 0 plus 4 is equal to 4, and alpha into beta is equal to 0 into 4 is equal to 0, and therefore required equation in variable x is x square minus alpha plus beta, close that bracket, x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. And then you substitute x square minus alpha plus beta is equal to 4x plus 0 is equal to 0, and therefore your equation is x square minus 4x is equal to 0. Okay. Question number 2. 3 and minus 10 are two roots. Solution: let alpha is equal to 3 and beta is equal to minus 10. Then alpha plus beta is equal to 3 minus 10 is equal to minus 7. And alpha into beta is equal to 3 into minus 10, that is minus 30. And therefore required equation in variable x is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. This is our formula. And then simply you substitute your values, and therefore x square minus minus 7x plus minus 30 is equal to 0. Open this bracket. Therefore x square, now minus minus become plus 7x minus 30 is equal to 0. This is your quadratic equation. Okay. Then one more question. Question number 3. 1 upon 2 and minus 1 upon 2 are two roots. Solution: let alpha is equal to 1 upon 2 and beta is equal to minus 1 upon 2. Then first you find alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta is equal to 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 0, and alpha into beta is equal to 1 upon 2 into 1 upon minus 1 upon 2 is equal to minus 1 upon 4. And therefore required equation in variable x is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Substitute values: x square minus 0x plus minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 0, and therefore x square minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 0. Now here you simplify, means what, subtraction. Now equalize the denominator. Denominator is 4, and therefore you have to multiply it by 4 here. So 4x square minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 0, and therefore required equation, quadratic equation is 4x square minus 1. This 4 you transfer on this side, so 4 into 0 is equal to 0, and therefore equation is 4x square minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. And if you have any question, put in comment box. Thank you.